What is going on, guys? I look a little crazy because I've just been working around the house. As you guys remember, this carport that I put a couple of months back when I got the Defender, last year actually. This is where I parked the Defender and the Jeeps, but as you can tell, it's just very sandy, so I can't really work here. So tomorrow we're gonna have one of the guys come out here and they're gonna pour a slab. So this is an 18 by 40, so it's a lot of room where I can work on the Jeeps, work on the Defender, whatever it is. So I'm gonna have some nice little space. Obviously it's open, but it's better than working out in the sun, because the only other space I have is the driveway, but that driveway is also inclined, so it's gonna be a nice little shop upgrade, kind of a shop for now. It'll work. Alrighty guys, here she is. Here's the concrete slab. She is 4 inches thick. As you can see, this thing looks nice. They still gotta come back and do a couple cuts to prevent it from cracking, but as you can see, this thing is nice. Now I can work on the Jeeps, the Defender, whatever projects come. I can work under this tarp, which will be very, very nice. But yeah, this setup is pretty dope for now. I mean, it's nothing crazy, still an open shop, but it'll definitely be a lot nicer than working on the sand. I don't know if you remember, I built the Defender back here, but it was all sand and it was a nightmare. But this is going to be a nice little upgrade. I already ran an extension cord, as you can tell right there, from there all the way to the house. And yeah, that's going to be nice. So at least I can put some fans, some lights, and just work here the concrete versus working in the sand. So apart from the upgrade on the little shop I have back there, I actually got a brand new trailer. Well, brand new to me. This is a 2021, I think. It's a 8.5 by 28. It's a bumper pull, but this is a nice brand. It's actually a Bigfoot trailer, so it's a dual axle. It's rated for 14K, so 7K axles, but it's nice little deck over, 8.5 wide, so I can fit pretty much anything. My Defender finally fits. I don't know if you remember my last trailer, that thing was falling apart. I sold that one, got myself this bad boy for a very good price from some guy down in Naples. But hell yeah, now I can actually fit, I think I can fit both TJs on here, but the plan really is to fit Jenny's TJ and my Defender, so we can go to River Ranch or whatever park we want to go to. But that's really going to be the next project. As I was saying, this is going to be the next project. This thing needs a transmission, so now that I have the shop, now I can actually work on getting this transmission out, putting a new transmission. It's gonna be a lot more comfortable working on that concrete. But yeah, we put a new top on this, so now she's nice and fresh there. Interior is pretty clean, everything works. The only thing, the transmission is slipping, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with another stock transmission. This is a 32RH transmission. This is actually a 6-cylinder. It's a 4-liter versus mine that's a 4-cylinder turbo. But I like this one because it's it's 6-cylinder automatic. Jenny can drive it no problem. Obviously 4x4, but this thing's a pretty nice unit. I want to fix it, fix the AC, just make it nice and comfortable to ride in. Possibly I'm gonna change out the wheels. With my wheels over there, let me show you guys. I actually have V-locks on mine, but my front axle is actually bad. I actually took out the internals on the front axle because all the bearings were bad, so I just gutted it out so I can roll it around the house. But as you guys remember, I had this TJ. It's a 4-cylinder turbo, but I don't know, she's not running too well. But I gotta fix her up, but we'll see what we'll do. I think I might honestly strip it all out. I want to put a new engine in it. I want to put an LS in it, so maybe what I'll do is I might want to put these wheels on that Jeep. I actually have a Ford 8.8 rear with a locker in the rear, so I'm gonna swap that one over to Jenny's Jeep. This one actually has 513 gears, so it'll be nice. I could probably run on that one. I mean, these are 37s. That's probably what I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna put 37s on her. With these wheels are actually, I forgot what brand they are, but these are nice wheels. Just gotta polish them up, make them look nice. Got some good fenders here on too, so pretty much I'll probably get everything that's on this one and put it on that Jeep, make it well worth it. But yeah, and obviously I got my little baby over here. This thing, I just love this thing. This thing gives me no problems. Just go in, turn the key, turn the AC on, and just rip. So yeah, that's gonna be definitely the next thing. Get Jenny's Jeep working so we can fit it there. I think it'll fit. That's 28 feet length. This one's about, from tire to tire, is about 15 feet. The Jeep, I think, is about 13 feet. So it'll be nice and snug in our trailer. So yeah, I can't wait till I get that done. The Element, I haven't really done much to it, honestly. This thing is still runs. It actually turns on every time. Obviously I just need to jump it, but this thing, the frame on this bad girl is not too good. Let me try to zoom in. It's kind of rusted. I mean, I bought it like that. I knew it was rusted, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. This one runs really good. It's a K24. I turboed this one. Oh, and as you can see here, little girl, she still rips. I gotta turn her on, but yeah, still got the Infinity too. But look at this bad boy here, Henry. Look at this guy living his life. But yeah, boys, that's about it for now. Just a little upgrade. I haven't really uploaded much. I'm gonna start uploading more. Let me know what you guys want to see. Whatever, I don't know if you guys want to see more TJ content with the Jeeps, or you want to see more Defender riding. I definitely got to go out and ride more. I haven't gone to River Ranch quite a bit. I have been riding around here locally. Nothing crazy here though. I really want to go back to River Ranch and just hit some trails. And then Jenny's gonna start riding this one, so hopefully we can fix this one up quick. The transmission is shouldn't be too much of an issue, so just get that running. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Just working around the house, you know, doing things here and there. So let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you until next time.